I'm Jamie, and this is Ross from Tait Real Estate, and we're here with special guest, my wife, Courtney. What are we making today, Courtney?
Well, I am currently 8 months pregnant, so almost 9 months, I guess.
Yep.
So I'm going to be making a mocktail today. We'll make it a cocktail for these guys because they can actually drink, but I'm going to be using this really cool product that is out in the liquor stores now. It is called Seedlip, and it's a distilled non-alcoholic spirit. And so it kind of has a flavor of gin. It has like the juniper and the sort of herbal flavors, but none of the alcohol. So you get to feel like you're having a cocktail, but you're not actually having any booze.
How do we make it?
Okay, so I'm gonna put in my glass. You guys are gonna use tequila because that's what we had at the lake.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put 2 ounces of the Seedlip.
And we'll put in a little bit of tequila in there.
Perfect.
And then you could use whatever kind of juice, but I really like grapefruit, so I'm gonna do just a splash of the grapefruit juice for flavor.
And then you want me to top it off?
And top it off with the good tonic. So this is the Fentimans.
Okay.
And then you want a lime wedge.
Yeah, and then just squeeze a lime in there.
Okay.
There you go.
Jamie, here's your lime.
Go.
All right.
This one was mine, right?
That is.
Let's hope.
Absolutely.
I'll smell it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.
Oh, see, it's as if I'm drinking, but I'm not.
That's definitely tequila.
That's good. I like that. Obviously different than the gin flavored.
Yeah.
It's kind of like that. Kind of be like a Paloma,
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
just with tonic instead of
Yeah.
club soda.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Now, cheers, everyone.
We're gonna try.
Cheers.
Cheers.